Hi friends, good evening. I hope everybody is safe. Stay home, take all the precautions, and keep yourself fit. Staying at home, we'll learn one more new thing, making flowers out of stockings. These are the beautiful flowers. I'll show you how we are going to make it. Do try this and keep doing all these kind of things instead of going out. Take care of yourself and be safe. So let's start how we are going to make it. So we will need colored stockings. The texture is like this. We can get any color in the market for the flowers. For the leaves we will need green. For the petal making we will need thin wire. Stem making we will need thick wire. The flower stamen, which we get it ready made. A thread for tying and a crepe sellotape green color for covering the stem. Let's start. We'll take a thin wire. We will cut it into 5 or 6 parts as per our flower design. Now I'm taking it. 5 parts for the petals and 2 parts for the wire. The wire, then we will fold it and we will turn it around at the bottom part of it, and we will tie it up. See, now one petal is ready. I'll show you one more. The size of the petal depends upon the cutting of the wire which you did. So accordingly we have to cut the wire size. You can see now the 5 petals are ready, and in the same way I have folded and folded and made 2 leaves. Leaf size is a little bigger than the petals. Now we will be covering the one petal with the stocking. Properly cover the wire with the stocking. Hold it tightly. Patiently do this work. Hold it tightly. After doing this, we will tie it up with the thread. Yes, some 5 to 6 rounds are more than enough for it. You will know it when you will make it. Then we will cut down the remaining part. In the same way, we will be making the remaining petals. I'll show you. I'm showing you one more. Properly stretch it in the same way as we did it for the first one. The stretching quality also has a little difference, and then tied it. In the same way, now I have completed my 5 petals and 2 leaves. Now we'll start with the next step. I'm just making a little modifications in the shape. You can bend, you can stretch, you can modify the shape of the petal. Now I'm taking the stamen, some up 2 or 3 stamens. I'm folding it into 2 parts, taking one petal and a thick wire for the stem. Now we have to tie this together. For tying this, keep it in mind that when we are tying 3 different things, we have to tie it very tightly, or else some of the thing may lose up. So tie it very tightly. Now this is done. After the first petal, In the same way, we will be tying the remaining petals. Make sure that all the petals are tied very nicely and tightly. This is the last one now. Yes. You can see it. It's done. Now, we will be tying the leaves to the stem. In the same way as we tied the petal, we will be tying the leaf. We'll bend the stem of the leaf and tie to the main stem. You can see it. In the same way, we will be tying the second leaf. Yes, I'm tying it now. It's done. Oh, no issues. The second leaf has become a little loose, but we can tie it again. I'm holding it again in the same position. Yes. Now I will tie it again. Make sure that the leaves are also tied very tightly. Oh, actually the stem of this leaf is a little big. That's why I'm tying it till the bottom of that stem. Now it is done. See. Now remove the excess threads, whatever they are. I hope the tying procedure is very easy and you have understand it. It is not at all a difficult flower to make, but a very interesting and a nice thing. I like to make these flowers. See, it is nice, very nice. I am bending the leaves. Yes, it is done. And now for the stem part, we will take the sellotape and we will start tying it from the upper end of the rose, from the bottom of the rose flower rather. It is not a rose actually. We will properly paste it. Very easy. It is not at all difficult. Yes, and we are done. We'll cut it. Just finishing. After doing this, you can just make a little modifications or little stretching. Little you can just adjust your leaves and flowers or petals accordingly. So you can see the flower is done now. I'll show you one more thing. Yeah, we can stretch the flower petals like this also. Something like an aster or a periwinkle. Yes, see, it is looking very nice. Accordingly, I have tied all the flowers together, looking very pretty. You definitely try this at your home and keep watching. Thank you.